What's up everyone, today we got 4 packs of Brilliant Strikes from Vanguard. We got these from my local card shop. They were just trying to get rid of old packs, but let's get cracking. So first pack. The Dragon Dancer Agatha, Night of Passion Tour, Mexico Stealth Rogue Gomon, Lizard Soldier Garaha, and we got a rare Sanctuary of Light Determinator. And I think, yeah, we got these promo advertisement verified tweets, wash shorts. So yeah, there's that. Next pack. The Sacred Twin Beast White Lion, Desire Jewel Knight Heloise, Orden Owl, Jewel Knight Sacred Unicorn, and we got a rare Dragon Knight Sadith. Next pack. Alright, we got Sanctuary of Light, Little Storm, Sacred Twin Beast White Lion, Goddess of Union Jewel Knight Sacred Unicorn, and we got another rare Burning Scale Knight Eliwood. Last pack, what can we end with? See, we got Security Jewel Knight Alwyn, Wyvern Strike Zalus, Jewel Knight Melmy, Maiden Eggplant, and last one, we got a double rare. So we're ending with a double rare, Maiden of Venus Trap Reverse for Neo Nectar. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, hope you guys have a great one.